Alright, before we pull off this hub, let's see how much wiggle we got in here. Ooh. I'm thinking that's not good. Oh. And I also got a tear in the boot here. Guess I'll be fixing that next. Alright, next we're going to remove the 4 bolts that hold the hub to the spindle. That's going to be this one, that one, down here, and then this one's kind of a tricky one right here. It's kind of by the lower ball joint there. You may need a swivel for that one. And I would recommend using this type of socket versus this type of socket. This is a 15 millimeter, and I know this because I stripped one already on the other side. And if you strip one, pick you up a socket extractor set, and I'll tell you what, this thing works like a charm. And you can see my swivel in here. I recommend using 3/8. Seems to be a little smaller. It's a pretty tight fit. I'm glad I didn't strip this one. Alright, we took off the spindle bolts, and I think this hub is ready to come off. Once again, 35 millimeter. It's pretty tight fit on this nut, which is good because this nut cranks down at almost 200 pounds torque. And I already loosened this with the axe method, so like I said, tight fit on the nut. Takes a little effort to get it out, but I just use a little punch on the back side. Got a washer in here. And it's pretty much just wiggle it on out. Take some force. Alright, next we're going to take the disc off of the hub. And once again, I'm not going to worry so much about the speed sensor because I already tried to take the one off the other side, and as you see, I wasted it. I don't know if there's a special tool or something that takes this off, but that one's a goner. Okay, don't want to scar up the disc at all, so I'm going to do this here on my garage couch. And this is the 17 millimeter. Got these 6 bolts right here. And I already loosened these using the axe method. So let's crank these off. Alright. Then we'll save that disc, make sure and clean it all up before we put it back on. And we should be ready to install these bad boys. So shiny.